I Can Sing It Better is proudly brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse ndi Zodiak. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment, and Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi, by Malawi for Malawi.
Alinafe Chunga is my name, and this is I Can Sing It Better. Mpikisano mwe anthu akukhala akupikisana kunkhani imene yamayimbidwe majaji ndili ndi funso. Wiki yatha munayona bwanji?
Wiki yatha agenda inali koto. It was very tough. You could see kuti anthu ali ndi luso pa Malawi.
Majaji amenewo akuyembekezera zakupsya tsiku la lero. Koma ife tipitirire kungokumbutsana kuti amene akutuluka ndi ma silver rubbish takalulu timene tita silver akuyenera kuti anthu ngati inuyo muwavotere, because your vote is the one that would change their fate in the competition. Komanso amene akulandira ma gold rabbit takalulu timene tita golide amene unde kuti akupitirira. Mosatayitsana nthawi tiyitane Vanessa nalikungwi amene ali oyambirira wathu wa tsiku la lero, and her inspiration is Loyiso from South Africa.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good too. All right. Remind us your name again?
Vanessa Nalikungwi.
Vanessa, yes. Are you ready? What song are you singing today?
When I Was a Man, Bruno
Okay. All the best.
Thank you. Same babe, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. Our songs on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When my friends talks about you, all it does is just tear me down. 'Cause my heart hurts a little when I hear your name. It all just sounds like ooh. Too young, too dumb to realize that I should have got you flowers. I should have held your hand, given you all my hours. When I have the chance, take you to every party, 'cause all you wanted to do was dance. But now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. Although it hurts, I'll be the first to say I was wrong. Oh, I know it's probably much too late to come and try to apologize for my mistakes. I just want you to know, I hope you buy her flowers. I hope you hold her hand. You give her all your hours when you have the chance. You take her to every party, 'cause I remember how much you loved to dance. Loved all the things I should have loved when I was your girl. She loves all the things I should have loved when I was your girl. Thank you.
Hi Vanessa. Chimene ndakondapo nchona kuti you owned the song. Yeah, it was coming from you. Komanso ma vocal controls aja mathandiza kuti timve bwinobwino zimene mukuyimba, which is very good. And I enjoyed the performance.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Hi, Vanessa.
Hi.
Are you okay today?
Pardon?
Are you okay today?
Yeah,
Last time when you were singing, you're like, okay.
Yeah, today I'm okay.
No, today I can tell that you're okay. One thing that I've loved is that last time I heard you singing more in a low tone, which you did perfectly. And today you had a combination of lows, highs, and mid tones, and the way your voice texture is coming out, excellent. So I really loved your performance. However, I would really want to see more of your expressions on stage.
All right.
Sure.
Okay.
All the best.
Thank you very
Sure.
much. Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Hi, Chifunilo.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine.
I can
thanks.
hear
How are
you.
I'm fine, thanks.
Yeah.
How are you?
That's good. How have you been?
Good.
Have you been getting ready for this day?
Yes, of course.
Are you ready to surprise us today?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
I can't wait to hear you sing. What song are you singing?
Chindaliso by Grace Chinga.
Chindaliso.
Yes.
Andipasa Jikojanga.
Eh,
All right. The stage is all yours. We're here to enjoy your singing.
Thank you.
Sure.
Hey, hey, Yehova ni ululileni. Ni ululileni Yehova. Ni ululileni Baba. Oh Yehova. Mwana umene misili omanga nyumba. Anaugano sanduka wabangoja. Habale anasiwas anandidaya. Nandikumba natindin mwana wahule. Kwa mambuye mwanditola mwana wanu. Lero zavuda andisaka nandibepesa. Paka kundibe mpakuti ndiwathandize. Nandinyengelela nkale fumu yawo. Inu Yehova ndiululileni. Shomwe munaiga pamoyo wanga. Shomwe antuyena agamachiona achisilila ndikundida nacho. Yehova wanga ndiululileni. Chomwe munaika Baba pamoyo wanga. Chomwe antuyena agamachiona achisilila ndikundida nacho. Mwachitsatsa chiko changa. Mwachitsatsa chiko changa mbuye. Chiko changa chisefuka. Mwachitsatsa chiko changa. Mwachitsatsa chiko changa mbuye. Chiko changa chisefuka.
All right, Funilo.
Yes.
I love the fact that you love singing Malawian songs. What I would have loved to see is more vocal dynamic and how you get creative around the song. This is I can sing it better. So I would have loved to hear more of that betterness in the song.
No, I love the fact that you own the song. Just improve on what he has said. It's really, really important, and you have to work on this if you happen to get into the other round.
chinanso ndaona kuti pali improvement. Time imene munayimba nyimbo ya Princess Chitsulo tinkamva princess iyo, koma apano timamvano iweyo, which is good, right? Keep it up. I think mwina kungokonza ma vocal controls iwo kuti be ma dynamics aziveka bwinobwino. Nanga say you have a strong voice, eh? Yeah.
Okay, one last thing that I want to say. You might not have a chance to select a song again. Your vibrato, that was too much. I know a lot of people think too much vibrato is beautiful singing. Yeah, so you need to balance that as you sing. Yeah, sure. So hoping to see you again in the next round. Sure.
I can sing it better. I can sing it better.
Hello, Daniel.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
You okay?
Yeah,
You ready?
yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
Okay. What song are you singing today?
Jesus at the center of all.
Okay. You're ready for that, yeah?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
Yeah.
Why?
This is competition, you know?
No, but are you ready?
I'm ready.
You have to be ready.
Yeah.
All the best.
Thank you very much.
Nice shoes, by the way.
Thank you very much. Jesus, I the saint of it all. Jesus, I the saint of it all. Every knee will bow, every tongue shall confess you, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, nothing else matter. Nothing in this world will do. Oh, Jesus, you're the center. Everything revolves around you. Jesus, you. Oh, nothing in this world will do. Oh, hallelujah. Jesus, you're the center. Everything revolves around you. Jesus, you. Oh, From my heart to the heavens, Jesus be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you. From my heart to the heavens, Jesus be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you. From my heart to the head. Oh, Jesus be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you. From my heart to the heavens, Jesus be the center. It's all about you. Yes, it's all about you. Jesus be the scent of your heart. Jesus be the scent of your heart. every knee will bow, every tongue shall confess you, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, nothing else but Jesus. Oh, Jesus, your name is Jesus. Your name is greater, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, thank you.
Hi. I hate hallelujah. Daniel,
Yes.
now what happened? You lost the instrumentation along the way.
Yeah, I did this.
What happened?
I didn't hear it proper.
But you asked for a monitor.
Yeah.
Previously, you had it.
You know, we don't use to sing with the beat. That's the first thing. I used to sing with the instruments, and this is the first time to sing with the instrument. And this happened in a few time.
Okay,
I didn't-
but okay, fine. But you sing, right?
Yeah, I sing.
You sing.
Yeah, I sing.
So it doesn't matter whether you're singing with an instrumental
Yeah.
or you sing with a band. Because if you sing, you've got these ears you use and you've got a musical ear. That's why in the first place you're like, okay, I wasn't hearing the instrumental. They gave you a monitor, but then along the way you lost it. Regardless, not quite bad, but I would expect a lot more from you if we compare to the last performance that you did during auditions. Today, you haven't clicked it for me. But I hope to see you again, maybe sing a different song.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. I think pama auditions unazabwera utavala mashete. I remember very well, but now pano pamene ndikumaona nomaso kuti akukhanga takupereka picture ya munthu oti ali ndi kamantha choncho eti I think mutu mukuyenda kwambiri kuti tili pa competition komano mukabwera papa, you just have to forget all those things and ungokhala iweyo it's like you're ministering to us. Mind yokuti ndi mpikisano ija imabweresa mantha kubwesa zinthu zambiri, koma so far ndinaona kuti panali maere ena ndi ena amene ndinakonda, koma itonso ndinali nato ndi zimene ndapanga note. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Contestant number 241 is Tracy. All right. Tracy, welcome to the stage right now.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good. Sindidziwa lero mwatikonzera zotani?
I'm going to see
Nyimbo ya?
the goodness of God.
The goodness of God. Chabwino. Tidalitsene.
I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days have been hurt in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. Yes, Lord. All my life you have been so good, Jesus. Every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing the goodness of God. I love your voice, Jesus. You've led me through the fire in darkness night, a close like no other. I know you as a father, I know you as a friend, ever been in the goodness of God. Yeah, yeah. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good, Jesus. Every breath that I am able, so I will sing of your goodness of God. Your goodness is running after me. Oh, we know one no mandi kwanila ine. With my life laid down, surrender, I give everything. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. Your goodness is running after me. Yeah, your goodness is running after. We don't want to money, Guanila. You up in there. We don't want to money, Guanila. Money, Guanila in there. Yeah, we don't want to hope. All my life, you've been so good, so faithful, so mighty. All my life you've been. Oh, I will sing all the goodness of God, of God, of God, of God, of God. I'm gonna sing of the goodness of God. Oh, my life, you've been so good to me. Faithful God, faithful God. Yeah, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. It's running after me. It's running after me. It's running after for you. It's running after me. It's running after. It's running after me. Come on, your goodness is running after me. Lashaya. Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Tracy? Come on, you nailed it. No, that was powerful. For me, I loved every part of it. Like every aspect of it. We talk of vocal ability, stage presence, all that. That was excellent. I enjoyed it. Thank you.
Tigamari owning the song, that's exactly what you've done. You really owned the song and you didn't sound like anybody else but you. That's what really matters. And I love how you expressed yourself. We would know, but you still had to do your own riffs and runs or anything to make I love it.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you.
Hey, hey, Tracy.
Hi.
That was showing off.
Showing off.
When you started this song, I kind of felt like, okay, she's doing too much. To an extent that there were a few areas where you almost lost the key because you were trying to add a lot. However, That's doing too much, I think, helped you a lot. The reason why I'm saying this is because I was just talking to her. I've never heard, maybe there are people out there, but I've never heard anyone doing this song this way. This is good singing. Keep it up. That was beautiful. Sure.
Yeah, just keep working on your when you're on the lyric
clarity and diction.
And yes, you need to work
We
on
need to
that
hear.
a little more. Okay. Yeah.
And I loved when you brought in the
She was almost hitting the lights.
the
there.
chill part of
I
the
love
song.
it.
That was good. All right, all the best.
All the best.
Sure.
I can sing it better. I can sing it better.
Hi,
Hello.
how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Contestant number 247, Wanu, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what do you have for us today?
I am going to sing Clown by Emily Sunday.
Sure.
Yes.
Oh, feel free.
Thank you. I guess it's funnier from where you're standing. 'Cause from over here I miss the joke. Clear the way for my crash landing. I've done it again. Another number for your notes. I'd be smiling if I wasn't so desperate. I'd be patient if I had the time. I could stop and answer all of your questions as soon as I find out how I can move from the back of the line. I'll be your clown behind that glass. Go ahead and laugh, 'cause it's funny, I would too. If I saw me, I'll be your clown on your favorite channel. My life's a circus, round in circles. I'm selling out tonight. I'd be less angry if it was my decision. And the money was just rolling in. If I had more than my ambitions, I'll have time for please, I'll have time for thank you as soon as I win. I'll be your clown behind the glass. Go ahead and laugh, 'cause it's funny, I would too. If I saw me, I'll be your clown on your favorite channel. My life's a circus, around in circles. I'm selling out tonight. From a distance, my choice is simple. From a distance, I can entertain. But you can see me, I put makeup on my face. But there's no way you can feel it from so far away. Hey, hey. I'll be your clown behind the glass. Go ahead and laugh, 'cause it's funny, I would too. If I saw me, I'll be your clown on your favorite channel. My life's a circus, round in circles. I'm selling out tonight.
Hi, Wanu again.
Hello.
How do you feel?
I feel great.
Good.
Yes.
Stage fright?
Not so much.
Not like
anymore.
last time.
Yeah.
Stage presence, where muscle expression. Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, Wanu,
Hello.
you good?
Yes, very good.
I enjoyed what I was hearing, and I love the fact that you were able to look at your audience and sing to your audience. That was good. I don't know whether it's a technique that you thought of using today. I heard a lot of falsetto through and through. So if you happen to come back, we want to hear your voice texture.
Okay.
Like
Yeah.
with quality. That's what I would want to hear the next time you're on stage. Otherwise,
Thank you.
that was good.
Thank you very much.
Sure.
Thank you.
I can sing it better.
Hello.
Hi.
You look energetic today. You are.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes.
What song are you singing today?
I'm doing Can't Let Go by Adele.
All right. All the best.
Thank you. When did it go wrong? I'll never know. I have loved you all my life. How did it slow down? I go round and around, thinking about it all the time. I gave you heaven on a platter, babe. I gave you everything you never gave me. I never lied and I never faked it. Only wanted for you to save me. This love, it ain't over yet. There's too much that I haven't said. Did you find the note that I wrote? I hid it in the seam of your coat. It was hard to write with a lump in my throat. Do you even know that I can't let go? Why were you so cold? Let the truth be told. Tell me, was it all for the thrill? What was I thinking? I gave you everything, but you still went for the kill. I gave you heaven on a platter, babe. I gave you everything you never gave me. I never lied and I never faked it. Only wanted for you to save me. Oh, did you find the note that I wrote? I hid it in the seam of your coat. It was hard to write. I had a lump in my throat. Do you even know that I can't let go? Ooh, sometimes I feel like I'm in the dark. Ooh, I thought I died in your arms. Did you find the note that I wrote? I hid it in the seam of your coat. my throat. Do you even know that I can't let go? I hope you know I won't let go.
Okay, how do you feel now that you've sung your song?
Shook.
Okay. One thing I would really want you to work on. I feel like the song was kind of too high for you. Umabaniga. So I think next time, make sure you're in you're having that song where you're in the right key and your vocal ability is right on point with the key that you're singing on.
Right.
If you get my point.
Yes.
Yes. Otherwise, you're good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sure.
Yeah, hi.
Chimene ndaona kuti chidakalipo ndi ma vocal ability ma skills, vocal skills funika polishing here and there kuti tone chaziveka yokongola bwinobwino. Koma izo ndi zinthu zoti zimabwera ndi ukamapanga practice. Koma so far so good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Michelle.
Michelle,
Yes.
it's not an easy song. It might sound as an easy song, but it's not easy.
Yeah.
Because there are places where you struggle. And as a singer, that's where now you need to show your creativity that, okay, if it's going this way, how do I beat that? Right? So I noticed in some places you went flat a bit. You know what flat is?
Yeah.
Off key. So you need to train your ear as well, that musical ear, so that you need to listen to this to the instrumental and you stay in key, right? Otherwise, not so bad. Sure.
All the best.
Thank you.
I can sing it better. I can sing it better.
Hi, Mr. Namlepwesa, right?
Yes.
Ah, nice. How are you?
I'm okay, and yourself?
I'm good.
Sure.
You're looking all good today, huh?
Thanks.
Okay, we can't wait to hear what you have for us today.
Oh, yeah.
Mwimba nyimbo.
I'm singing Perfect by Ed Sheeran.
Wow. Okay. Ready. We're ready when you are to listen to what you have.
Okay. Well, I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl. She's beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were that someone waiting for time to wait. 'Cause we were just kids when we saw in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I want, and in your arms you're holding mine. 'Cause baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, but barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you are perfect tonight. Yeah. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. I share her dreams. I hope that someday I share her home. I found love to carry more than just my secret, to carry love are children of our own. We are still kids, but we so in love, fighting against odds. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just hold my hand. Remember that I'm your man. I see the future in your eyes, but baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see, looking so beautiful. I don't deserve this, darling. You are perfect tonight. Oh, baby, dancing in the dark with you between my arms, but I'm barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I said you looked a mess, yo, I don't deserve this, darling. You are perfect. I don't deserve this, darling. You are perfect tonight.
Hey, Chisomo, you need to take her with you when you're going.
Oh yes, oh yes.
Take me with you.
Chisomo, do you know what a karaoke is? Karaoke.
Yes.
You know it, right?
Yeah.
Where people go and sing for fun.
Yes.
Yeah. That's how it felt when you're singing. Looking at where we're coming from.
Yes.
Your performance last time and today. I don't know whether it's because of the instrumental, but today you just stayed on the same level, like going and going and going and going. After watching you last time,
yes,
today I expected you to make me go, wow, more than that time. But that was quite basic. This is a popular song.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Popular and simple song, I should say. I would have expected you to show us that you can do more than what you've done.
Hey, baby, you're just going flat. Like you just.
Did you hear what she just did?
Yes.
No.
Right?
Pazimveka kenaka kongo kometsa kuti sikomwe kaja kasabwerezedwe nthawi koma it should bring that difference kunena kuti this is now Chisomo performing. Yeah, I think you get my point. Yes, so I think you really need to work more on that one. I know you can do it. Yeah, of course you want to. Thank you.
Just work on the voice, Eddie. Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah,
thank you.
I can sing it better.
Alright, contestants, welcome back to the stage. Tanguruzani Wuribodi, how was it? Last time munaimba gabera pano mwaimba ndi instrumental.
It was good, but then I had a problem on I couldn't hear myself. My monitors. At least when I kama in here, ngati patakauti mwina monitor at because we over stage but it was good. Yeah, sure.
Alright, ndeta ngonduza kuti if you were to be given another chance, kurubangeso perform, what would you do better?
I feel like I did my best, honestly.
All right, I like that response. You know, Guri, you did your best. And I have to tell you guys, Guri, in my hands lies your fate for the next step in the competition. For some of you, anyways, I'll just go straight into it, okay? So I have people that are going to get the silver rabbits. And kwa mene mungulandira silver rabbits, it means you need to push your people to vote for you. So the first silver goes to Daniel. So you can go get your silver rabbit that side. And the next silver goes to Michelle. All right, for you guys with me right here on stage, one of you is going home and 4 of you are still in the competition. How do you feel? Would one of you guys is going home?
Scared.
Aguri scared. All right, so I'm going to mention the name of the person. Ulendo wage ukutera bomba. It means the 4 of you guys that are going to remain on stage in the next round, and you're going to get gold rabbits, which means you're automatically in the top 12. Yeah. So the name of the person that's going home tonight is Chisomo. Unfortunately, your journey yatera bomba. Yeah. We just want to hear from you. What's next for you now?
Thank you very much for the opportunity. These are competitions. This is bound to happen anyway. Yeah. I just wish my fellow contestants all the best as they are progressing in the journey.
And that's it from us today. And I am Alina Fechunga, and this has been I Can Sing It Better. Let us meet again in the next episode of I Can Sing It Better.
I can sing it better.
Brought to you by Zonse Lotto. Everything is possible. Zonse ndi Zodiak. Powered by Hi-Fi Electronics, your home for audio and visual equipment. And Salima Sugar, the sweet pride of Malawi. By Malawi for Malawi.